I'm Daniel, and this is my family team from Secure Supplies. We have preserved and rebuilt green technologies actively around the world now for over 18 years. The water fueling and gas phase change technologies are changing the way your world's power and gas industries work. Helping you access these technologies is our life mission. Click the subscribe button now to join our technology releases and updates every Monday. And consider buying a ticket to the show by pressing the link in the description. If you would like to see the secrets ahead of time, head over to our Patreon tech training releases every Friday.
There's very unique design features that had to be developed in order to develop the water fuel cell as retrofit energy systems to conventional cars. We had to go ahead and develop a laser, called the laser. What you see right here, this is put between the conventional now the rotor cap, the trigger and fracturing technology into the electronic the unit you see right here, the resonance. Water fed into the resonance through this watt. We now expose to a restriction there process allows release the hydrogen and water and stimulating the voltage field, the amplitude of the voltage, control the radiolyzing gas. The main called as a conductor demand. He also stand allow unit there the gas. And what we're doing, we're on the air gas that is now to the process that allows and use and in practice run this tapping in a high water. The unit you see right here, this is referred to cavity. Water by simply now directing cavity through this water tank goes back. Such. We now expose the water to a very hot, small voltage field and restrict therefore the electrical polarization process. Now water. That unit that you see right here, we call this a gas processor. And basically, unit that you see right here, we call this a gas processor. And basically, unit that you see right here, we call this a gas processor. And basically what we're doing is we're ionizing the ambient air gases that are now going in to the process, and this allows us to trigger and use the hydrogen fracturing technology and tapping into the unit that you see right here. We call this a gas processor. And basically what we're doing is we're ionizing the ambient air gases that is now going into the process. And this allows us to trigger and use the hydrogen fracturing technology and tapping into the unit that you see right here. We call this a gas processor. And basically what we're doing is we're ionizing the ambient air gases that are now going into the process. And this allows us to trigger and use the hydrogen fracturing technology. Tapping into a higher energy yield coming from the hydrogen. The unit you see right here, this is referred to as a resonant cavity. Water is now fed into the resonant cavity through this water tank. We now expose the water to a very hot unit that you see right here. We call this a gas processor. And basically what we're doing is we're ionizing the ambient air gases that is now going into the process. And this allows us to trigger and use the hydrogen fracturing technology and tapping into a higher energy yield coming from the hydrogen. You see right here, this is referred to as a resonant cavity. As such, we now expose the water to a very hot unit that you see right here. We call this a gas processor. And basically what we're doing is we're ionizing the ambient air gases that is now going into the process. And this allows us to trigger and use the hydrogen fracturing technology and tapping into a higher energy yield coming from the hydrogen. The unit you see right here, this is the
Merch updates are ready. If you want to look good in the H2 hot rodding scene, and if you would like to pick up some hydrogen hot rodding merch, now is your chance. Please head over to our hydrogen hot rod shop. The link is in the description. Thanks. Alternatively, you can send me an email or join me on WhatsApp chat. The details are in the description. Let me know which things you like and what sizes you want. Network of home builders is growing very fast. Whether it's a roadster, supercar, or a yacht build, or maybe even an industrial power gas energy project. I'm here to assist and guide you. Please head over to the Consult with Dan link in the description, book a discussion for 10 to 30 minutes, and I will save you decades of study.